Okay, we had to take Sam into the doctor this morning because he's been up since Tuesday, coughing through the night. He's had a pretty bad cough. So we went to the doctor and they said it's just having some drainage and throat inflammation. So we're going to go through Culver's here because whenever Sam goes to an appointment, he has to be rewarded for doing so well during his appointment with Culver's. So, or fast food, basically.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Was it bumpy?
Yep. You brought me all over the place.
Is she bouncing you around in a van?
Yep.
Yeah. So Sam is going to order his Culver's. There we go.
Yeah, can I get a kid's cheeseburger meal with just ketchup and mustard on it, and fries, and a Sprite, and a vanilla custard with, what do you want on it? With Reese cups on it.
It's my son.
And then I need another kid's cheeseburger meal with ketchup, mustard, and pickle on it, with fries and a Diet Coke, and a chocolate custard with M&Ms. And then can I get your double olive burger with the works on it, with everything except tomato and pickle?
Alright. Are you wanting just a sandwich or the meal today?
Just a sandwich.
Alright. Anything else?
Nope, that'll do it.
1937. Go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nope, you said to pull forward, Sam. I wonder who it's going to be.
Hello.
Hi.
1937.
Okay, you can run, Sam.
Yes, please.
It was Josh, Sammy.
Here is one Coke.
Oh,
Could you give us a carrier,
Can we
please?
get a cup holder, please? Thank you. Oh, thanks. All right.
Come on, Josh.
Card and receipts right
Oh,
there.
perfect. Thank you.
And then go ahead and pull forward. They're going to bring everything out for you, including
Okay.
the custard.
All right, great.
Thanks,
Thank
Josh.
you.
That was Josh, Sam.
He said to pull forward.
He said to
They'll
pull
bring
forward.
everything out.
Okay, buddy. It's just a rainy day. Did you have straws with that? Okay. We should get another one, shouldn't we, with the ice cream?
I usually combine them and then double them up, underneath.
That way they're more supportive. Okay. Alrighty. What do you think, buddy? You think the Culver's will help your sore throat?
Yeah.
You do. Is that your
It's
medicine?
Very therapeutic.
Would you recommend that to Dr. Chen for her patients? Is that part of your
Part of his treatment plan.
treatment plan?
Josh?
Josh took the order, and he's the one that told us to pull up, buddy.
More.
We can't. There's a truck right there.
Oh,
Can you see it? It's right here in front.
oh.
Yeah. That was a Sunday. Remember that? You still remember Mike bringing you a Culver's, huh? Uncle Mike? That was very nice of him, wasn't it?
We'll have no idea.
I don't think we ever found out because I don't think Mike knew at that time that you liked that information, so I don't think he asked.
You never am, Mike.
Yeah, he didn't
He was
know.
just too busy bringing you a cheeseburger.
Yeah, he was too busy bringing you Culver's. You know, right?
My into the ass.
Yeah.
At least you got a cheeseburger out of it.
Yeah.
That was a good deal, right?
You got a cheeseburger, so what more can you ask for?
But
There's a
Oh,
truck
if you
in
forget to
front.
ask, you would back up or pull up, or is that, or you wanting Mama to do it?
Mama knew
Mom can't go anywhere. There's a truck in front of us, and you can't go backwards. You'll block the line.
There's a car behind me now, so we're,
Yeah, Mom's blocked. She can't go anywhere.
we're
She's
stuck
gonna
until
wait.
they bring the Culvers out.
Yeah. Oh, the guy in front of us is gonna be getting his order, or lady. We don't know who it is, but
Well, I can pull forward to the next spot.
right. Now we can pull forward, Sam. Is that good? There. How's that?
into there.
Well, you've been telling me to pull forward.
Yeah.
My wiper's off, so I'm not flinging water on them. Josh.
Josh, remember you took our order and our money? Good old Josh. He's taking a little time today.
Well, it's lunchtime, probably, or close to it, so they're probably busy.
They don't do breakfast here at all, do they? I know you are, buddy. We're gonna be home soon.
The sticker on the window says just a few minutes
Oh.
from Yum.
Yeah, look at that. We gotta get the sticker there. We're 172. So now you even know our numbers, Sam. So when you ask us all the questions, now we can answer them all.
You're right by the blue trash can.
Yep, by the blue trash can. Yeah, you get to see the guy coming. Looking right out the window. With the rain, Mom didn't let your window down. We didn't want you getting all wet.
I think this guy's name is Justin. I think we've had him before.
Okay, so we got Justin coming out with the rest of the stuff. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thanks.
Didn't quite get it there, Justin. Okay, give me a second to switch this
No,
stuff.
I'm not going anywhere. Just I put the straws in the bag, if that helps. Justin.
All by himself.
All by himself.
All by himself. He's hired. Okay, on that note, we gotta let you go so we can get you home, okay?
Brittany's going to be there in a few minutes.
Yeah, we gotta get you home so Brittany can feed you. How's that?
I'll be
You
myself.
ready?
You feed yourself on that note.